So in order to take off this panel, you have to take off these two screws over here, and then you pry open this front panel. You see the clips here? Over here, you just pry it open. So it pops out, and then you have the circuit board here. So I'm gonna test the continuity of the switch. So you have the control switch here to increase the humidity or to decrease the humidity. So I'm going to check the continuity for the switch there. This one here is the on-off switch. When it's working, there should be, when you press it, there should be continuity. You can see the LED light here, lighting very brightly. And now let's switch to the humidity control switch. Let's see how well they work. Okay. They are working, actually. Okay, for the down button, you can see the LED light is not, it's very dim, so the continuity is not that good. There's a lot of resistance. Let's try the other one again. So the up button was working. So now I have to take the control board out. There are a few screws securing it to the panel. Four or five of them. So that's the control board. And this is the switch I have to replace. So take this connector out and clean it. So we put in the new switch. The old switch has 2 legs, this have 4, so I just have to bend the other one a little bit. Yeah, it should be okay now. Just snip off the excess. Let's test this new switch. This is the switch that I change. And this is the other switch that isn't that good. You can see You can see it's kind of dim. Yeah, I'll change it. Okay. That's one. That's two. Try to make it just like before, as flush as possible. Yeah, that should do. Okay. Actually, a little more on the side. Yeah, this should do. Okay, so this is the humid up, humid down. I changed that. And I actually reflow the solder here in case this is where the connector is. I clean it a little bit, reflow it, and hopefully it should work again. So I'm gonna put the control board back. So this is the LED display. Put the connector back. So now it's at 65. 60. 55. It wasn't working like that before, for sure. You press it, nothing happens. So you try out the button after it powers on and make sure everything works. Fan speed, timer. I set it on low. Maybe I should set the timer on 2 hours. I put something heavy over it, like a little box or something, so it doesn't vibrate so much.